Welcome back, Focus Fanatics. In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature available in build 17.7.5. And this new feature is great for bars and restaurants where there's a lot of people that have tabs at the bar and they need to transfer that tab to a table to a particular server. Now, we've always had the ability under the transfer button to transfer to a table or a server, but you couldn't do that in combination. Okay, so you'd have to transfer it to a table, then pick it back up, and then transfer it to a server, or transfer it to a server, have the server pick it up, and then transfer that to a table. So there's a lot of button pushes involved in that. So what we've done is we've added a package where you can actually, via the package, just transfer it directly to a table, but you can also combo that with transfer employee, so you can transfer the tab to a table, and then it will automatically prompt you for what server if you want to transfer it to that server as well. Okay, so let me show you how this works. I'm going to log in my bartender here and run a couple tabs. So I'll save tab Beth, and I'll ring in another bourbon, save tab John, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's just say John decides that he's going to be sat at a table and he wants to transfer his tab. No problem, I can pick up my tab now and I can go to my new button and go ahead and hit transfer to table, and he's going to table, let's say 51, and then which server owns that table? Server F. Now you don't have to pick the server, you could just transfer it right over to 51 if you like, or you could transfer to the server, but this lets you do both in the same sequence. I'm going to go ahead and transfer that over to the server. So now when the server logs in, it's going to tell him or her, hey, you've got a transfer pending, and they can look at their floor plan here, and you can see this table down here is green, so I'm going to go ahead and pick that up, and it's going to say check 3 is pending transfer from Billy the bartender. Do you want to accept this? If it is indeed mine, I'm going to go ahead and hit yes, and now I own that check. Okay, pretty simple, cool. It eliminates a couple steps, and let's just go ahead and step right through that one more time. I'm going to go ahead and pick up a tab out of my tab list. I'm going to go over to my functions page. Now this button can be anywhere, so if you're doing a lot of transferring to tables, you would obviously want it to be in a better location, but go ahead and transfer to table. Beth is going to table 64, hit OK, and send it over to server F and hit OK. And we're all done, okay? And all that is a package with the options of, I'll go ahead and show you in the back of the house, order entry packages, and it's just using the command transfer. And because I don't have a table number in here, it's prompting me for one, but I could transfer it directly to a particular table if I had a really small restaurant and I just wanted to say transfer to table 2, table 3, table 4, etc. I could certainly line those up here and have multiple packages for each one of those. And then I toppled that with which employee, and I didn't pick an employee either. Now I could select a specific employee if I wanted to, but I don't want to do that in this case. Okay, so transfer table, new package available, new command available in the packages. Hope this new feature benefits both you and your customers. Until next time, stay focused.